Today we're diving into the world of creativity with the 12 pieces clear acrylic sheets and 12 pieces 3D night LED light lamp base set, perfect for adding a personal touch to any space. This versatile set includes 12 transparent acrylic plates, 12 LED lamp holders, charging cables, and remote controls, allowing you to craft unique designs that come to life with stunning 3D visual effects. With 16 color options and 4 dynamic modes, the remote-controlled LED bases let you effortlessly switch between colors and effects to showcase your art in the most captivating way. The lamp bases offer dual power options, either through 3Ah batteries or the included USB cable, making it easy to illuminate your creations anywhere. Crafted from high-quality acrylic, each 4mm thick sheet is perfect for engraving, and both sides are protected with films to prevent scratches, ensuring your designs remain pristine. Whether you're looking to create a beautiful decoration for yourself or a thoughtful gift for loved ones, this set is ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, cafes, and more, transforming any environment into a warm and dreamy space. So unleash your creativity and let your DIY acrylic art shine with this incredible lamp base set.